vibration that is caused by the tray itself. So that's what I want to demonstrate today. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to send printing, and then you see how the printer rejects the tray and how to fix it. The purpose of this tutorial is to know how to resolve that particular error. So what I'll do, this printer is TS704. It's a new printer, and I want to show you how to refill the cartridge. Let's open it. When you open it, you wait. This cartridge will come to the center. Okay, it's ready now. Just pull it out. This is the refill I'm using. Then notice that there's a seal here that was there, one nylon. You pull it out. That is when you are installing it for the first time. Then you use your hand to cover this under part like this. Then you pour your ink gently. As you are pouring it, it will be going inside because the foam here is soaking the ink. You keep pouring. You don't need to rush it and wait. Pour it and wait. When it is filled up, the ink will no longer go in. Then you can, if you have a rag, just or tissue, you use it to dab it. Use it to dab it like this. Then you can put it inside. Repeat the process for the remaining cartridges, and you cover it and resume your printing. Thanks for watching.